Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Photosynthesis versus respiration is tested through pH changes, and this one is quick. Read the graph carefully, connect carbon dioxide to acidity, and lock the graph shows that at 100 micromoles per square meter per second, pH rises over time, and that matters because rising pH means the solution is becoming less acidic. Because dissolved carbon dioxide makes water more acidic, a higher pH means less carbon dioxide is building up, so carbon dioxide is being removed faster than it is produced. That happens when photosynthesis uses carbon dioxide faster than cellular respiration releases it, so at 100 late intensity, photosynthesis is greater overall. Option D fits. Well done! Option D. Scan now. Trap, watch signs, do not rush. Rule, trust given pH carbon dioxide link and check each step carefully.